Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys a skin lightening, skin brightening and an anti-aging face serum. So this face serum is really effective in removing the dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and suntan problem from your skin. And it will make your skin really bright, glowing, supremely hydrating and moisturizing. And will also remove all the wrinkles and fine lines from your skin and will make your skin really bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So this face serum is rich in antioxidants as well as in anti-aging properties. It has all the natural ingredients into it which makes it supremely effective in treating pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars from your skin. And this face serum also has potato, and as you know that potatoes are really good ingredient in removing the dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars from your skin. Potatoes have incredible amount of skin bleaching properties into it, so they work really well in skin bleaching, skin lightening as well as anti-aging. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this pigmentation and dark spot removal face serum. So to prepare this face serum, you firstly gonna need sandalwood powder, and here I'm taking approx 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder into a clean bowl. After that you are going to need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they mix with each other well. And now as you can see that the paste is a little thick and we want a runny consistency paste to make this serum. So here I'm again adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And now again I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients. And after mixing them well, now the time to add the potato juice into it. And if you want to know how to make potato juice, then you just have to click on that I button, or you can even check out the description box. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of potato juice into it. After that you are going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoon of glycerin into it. And after the glycerin, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can even use the vitamin E capsules, or you can even use olive oil. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, now I'm just going to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other well and makes a smooth and a runny consistency paste. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin brightening and anti-aging face serum is ready, and it will look something like this. The consistency of this serum should be really runny and should be so much creamy and glowy as you can see in the video. So this face serum is really effective in treating the dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation from your skin. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it. So it will also fade away all the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin, and it will make your skin really bright, glowing, hydrating and crystal clear. This serum deeply moisturizes your skin, so it will give you deep nourishment and will make your skin really glowy, spotless and give you that glass skin look. So if you want to make your skin really bright, glowing, spotless, clear and want that glass skin look, then you can definitely try out this face serum, and you can store this serum in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this serum into this small glass dropper. And you can store this serum in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And now let me tell you how to use this face serum for best results. So you just have to apply a few drops of this serum all over your face and neck. Just gently massage it onto your skin and pat it down into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this serum and gives you deep nourishment and best results. And after patting it down into your skin, you just have to leave it overnight, and for the best results you have to use this serum every night before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.